YouTube was good. It's your boy Naj Thrax, and I'm back with another banger. I'd like to welcome you back to the channel where I do sneaker reviews, how-tos, and sneaker news. So if you're into that thing, stick with your boy. Today we're gonna be doing the early unboxing of the Air Jordan 6 Singles Day, set to release on November 25th. But I got it early off an SVD from a raffle. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, man. I would like to say shout out to SVD. They've been showing your boy love. I done hit on a couple raffles with them for some nice shoes, man. So y'all go on over and check them out. All right, y'all. So we got Jumpman box. As y'all can see, that's a size 11. This is a women's shoe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we open up the box and you can see the detailing of the Air Jordan 6 Singles Day already. Oh my gosh, these are, whew. Man. Join, you might have did something with these, man. Oh my gosh, these are clean, man. Man, let's go ahead and get into this review. Off rip, you can tell that they put a lot of detail into the upper. It's a stitched floral design that they got all over the upper, man. This is crazy. I don't think Jordan's done something this detailed in a minute, man. Like, this is, the quality on these are crazy. Right on the tongue, you go ahead and see the little detailing that they got here. You got gold Jumpman that you can take on and off the shoe. So it's easy. You can go ahead and remove it if you want to. Stick it right back on. Sole of the shoe, you got an all black sole with these little gray pops. All over the midsole, they got the detailing of the Singles Day, which is so dope to me that they took the time out to put that overlay on the midsole. That is so dope to me, man. On the pull tab, you got this subtle hint of gray right there. Black lace lock. On the inside, you got a black insole, Nike Air. Man, these are cold, freezing. So the Air Jordan 6 Singles Day is an ode to a Chinese holiday that they celebrate for everybody that doesn't have a significant other. They detailed everything on the shoe with a floral design. It's got a basketball, flowers all over the place. It's just crazy, man. The detail that went into this stitching is so elaborate. It is crazy. I love the detailing on this shoe. You got the suede paneling right here. Oh my gosh, the suede paneling feels so good, man. I think this is one of the best Jordan products that's been out in a good minute. I haven't been copying too many J's to really know like that in the last year, but I mean, out of my cops, this is hands down the best quality that I've seen on a shoe in a while, in a long while. These are crazy, man. I'm gonna plan on keeping these. I don't think I'm gonna sell these. This is definitely gonna stay in the collection for a while. So let's go ahead and get some on-feet shots, man. Overall, I must say I'm really feeling this shoe. I love it. I love the detailing. I love how they feel on my feet. These are super dope, man. So y'all get in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell as well, man. It's been Thrax. This is Thrax.Kicks, and I'm out.